Hello, class. A very pleasant morning to all of you. Dear students, welcome to the online teaching classes of St. Thomas High School, Mahua. Today, I, Rucha Parekh, am here to further continue with the subject of social science for the students of class 8th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we started unit number 1, that is social religious reforms. Today, we are going to cover the third topic, that is the preachings of Ramakrishna Paramhans. Ramakrishna Paramhans was the torchbearer of Indian culture. He was also a reformer and a saint who had sought the truth through all the religions. He was born in Kamarpukar village of Hooghly district in Bengal. He took interest in the religious activities from his childhood. He became a priest in the Kali temple of Dakshineshwar near Kolkata. Ramakrishna Paramhans, who was the first one to reflect the youth and even the people of India towards the Indian culture. He was also a reformer who brought many reforms in the life of the people and a saint who had sought the truth through all the religions. He was born in a small village of Hooghly district in Bengal who took the religious activities, interest in the religious activities since his childhood. He became a priest. Many people were attracted towards him due to his preachings on the purity of character and deep knowledge. He tried to attain God in various forms. Many religious reformers like Keshav Chandra Sen, Dayanand Saraswati, and others had to obtain guidance from him. That means the social reformers and the religious reformers took guidance from him. He guided the people and preached them in order to attain God in various forms. Those influenced by the Western culture redeveloped their faith in culture and religion. The people, those who were influenced by the Western culture, also started gaining faith and tried and again started obtaining the culture and religion of India because of the preachings of Ramakrishna Paramhans. Next comes Swami Vivekanand. A Bengali graduate named Narendranath Dutt came into contact with Ramakrishna Paramhans, who reciprocated his quest for knowledge. Narendra became a disciple of Ramakrishna and became an ascetic, later acquiring the name Swami Vivekanand. He did an intensive study of the Indian and Western philosophy. After coming in contact with Ramakrishna Paramhans, a Bengali graduate named Narendranath Dutt became his disciple and later he became sannyasi. He had did the intensive study of the Indian and Western philosophy also. Swami Vivekanand advised the people to serve the poor and look for the God in the needy people. He imbibed pride for our rich culture and heritage and faith in the bright future in the Indian youngsters. Swami Vivekanand always told the people and advised them to serve the poor. He also told the people to look for God in the needy people. Instead of going to the temple and sitting in front of the idol, he influenced the youngster to help the one who is in need. He told the people to serve them and look for the God in them. He also imbibed pride for our rich culture and heritage, and he also had a faith that there is a bright future for the Indian youngsters. He attended the Parliament of Religions in Chicago in United States in the year 1893 century era. With his influential speech, he provided understanding about the Indian philosophy and culture. He propagated the Indian culture by touring various countries like the United States, Europe, Egypt, China, Japan, etc. He was an ardent supporter of Indian culture and devout nationalist. He gave the legendary slogan to the Indians, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved." So he also gave an influential speech in order to propagate the Indian philosophy and culture. He visited various countries and supported the Indian culture as he was a devoted nationalist. He gave the slogan to the Indians, which is famous and also had a great meaning that arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is achieved. Swami Vivekanand established the Ramakrishna Mission in Kolkata in the year 1897 century era in the name of his Guru. It has its headquarters at Belur. This mission adopted the ideals of service to mankind through various works. The mission followed the slogan Service to man is service to God by gaining motivation from the life of Ramakrishna Paramhans. This mission opened schools across the nation for imparting education. Hospitals were run by the mission to help the people in need. Even today, the branches of the mission are functional in India and abroad. In the name of his guru, Swami Vivekananda established a mission, and hence the main motto of this mission was service to man is service to God. They tried to help the people who were really in need. Various schools were also built across the nation for imparting education, and also the hospitals were run to serve the people who are in need. And even today, the mission are functional in India and abroad. So even today, these people are working in the name of Swami Vivekananda. So dear students, here we are at the end of this video. In the very next class, we'll start with the very fresh topic. And till then, you people have to read all the topics which are completed till now as a part of your homework. So till then, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.